Nigeria government, I don't fuck with the wrong generation. And I go learn in a hard way. Hi, child. Aburo very dark man. Don't expose EFCC. They are planning about the protest and free very dark man protesters. Guy, brain dey some people head. Brain do what thing? E dey some people head. Nigerian government, all you know is manipulation. How to manipulate. The people they advise on now, one advising how to give free school. They will never advise you how to give free hospital. They will never tell you that the youth who are hungry, they are unemployed. They will only give you advice when the youth are ready to speak up, how you will distract them. Mọ̀ wípé ọmọdé gbọ́n, àgbà gbọ́n, òun la fi dá Ilé Ifẹ̀. Fídíò yìí ẹ bá mi share fún gbogbo àwọn tó fẹ́ ṣe rally àti anybody tó wá ní any protest pé ọgbọ́n tí àwọn Nigerian government, EFCC, DSS, MMS, KOKOSI, all of them, police, community, but every one of them, they have different names. Yet, Fulani estimate fẹ́ pa gbòyàn tán nílùú. Àṣírí wọn ti tú. Ìwọ tó bá máa ń bínú, that you always take action. Tó bá ti rí little thing báyìí, o fẹ́ take action ni. It might be set up. O fẹ́ jà any small thing wọ́n sọ báyìí, o ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ wàhálà. Ó lè jẹ́ set up. Ìgbà míì èèyàn lè ní oríire kó má nínú re. Ẹlòmíì dẹ̀ máa nínú re, orí ibú ló máa gbé wá sáyé. Ẹlòmíì máa lóríire, ó máa nínú re, ṣùgbọ́n ìwà abú ló máa fi fọ́ ọgbọ ẹ̀ lójú. Now, tó bá jẹ́ wípé unfortunately these guys are not wise enough and patient enough. Bóyá àti wọ́n pé wọ́n ti yìnbọn sí wọn láàrin, wọ́n ti pàyèmọ́yé nínú wọn. But they apply senses. You know, when Aburo very dark man was saying, if you are coming to the protest, dress corporate. Tó bá fẹ́ wọ suit, kó wọ suit. Tó bá fẹ́ wọ bàbá rìgá, kó adéfìlà àìsí. Dress corporate. Àwọn fẹ́ kí ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan wá ṣe tout. Ó ní kó má gbé music wá. Ó ní kó má gbé oúnjẹ wá. Ó ní when you are coming, you dress corporate. We are not there to fight or to disrupt anything. They are not there to destroy anything. They are peaceful protesters. And what are they demanding for? Free the very dark man. Free very dark man. This is a guy that has had impact in the life of many people. Àtìrí ẹni tí wọ́n tó jẹ́ pé China, ẹni tí ọmọ Nàìjíríà lu jìbìtì. China tó ń lu jìbìtì tó jẹ́ pé very dark man ló gbà kalẹ̀. Àtìrí school tó ṣe wípé wọn ò ní ṣíà tí wọ́n fi ń jókòó níbẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà tó dẹ̀ lọ síbẹ̀ tó bá wọn renovate school yẹn. Ìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ghana, ó tún lọ sí Ghana, ó tún lọ bá wọn yanjú ẹ̀. This is a guy that's been doing borehole. This is a guy that is paying many people owó oúnjẹ. This is a guy tó jẹ́ wípé ó ń lọ sọ́tún lọ sósì àwọn ibi tí wọ́n ti pa àwọn èèyàn. Ó ti lọ síbẹ̀ lọ kí àwọn victims. Àbí yẹn ló bí yín nú ni. Mi ò rò bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, kó má ìpèsè pé lọ wo àwọn tí wọ́n pa. Ó ń tú àṣírí síta pé tọ̀ wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn Nàìjíríà o, kó má ìpè yẹn gan ló ń bí yín nínú. Kí ló ṣe gangan? Wọ́n ní many petitions. Petition say wetin happen, say who die. Very dark man was on her wife. Ṣé very dark man ó bá ìyàwó yín sùn ni? Petition. Now it's a fuck with the wrong generation no. Yes, those guys want to enter. And what they did will surprise you. Èyí tẹ́ ń wò mí. Àwọn guys nígbà táwọn déwájú EFCC wọ́n lọ sí GTB bank, wọ́n lọ gbá, wọ́n lọ sáwo. Wọ́n láwọn rí tí wọ́n na ọmọkùnrin kan. Àbúrò very dark man, ó nínú bí òun. Ó nínú bí àwọn tó kù òun náà. Ó náà pé káwọn ṣùgbọ́n káwọn lọ bá wọn. Ó lóun ní ẹni sùúrù o. Eléyìí lè jẹ́ trick. because in every action ẹni tó bá ṣe action fún ẹ ó ń retí reaction ni and kì í ṣe gbogbo ẹni tó ń sunkún nínú ẹ̀ bàjẹ́ o kì í ṣe gbogbo ẹni tó ń rẹ́rìn nínú ẹ̀ ń dùn ó lòun ní ẹ fi sílẹ̀ ẹni táwọn ń wò yìí òun ò mọ̀ rí bó ṣe ń nà yìí ṣé kì í wọ́n fi set àwọn up káwọn lè bá a bínú ẹ má jẹ́ ká a bínú ó ní immediately làwọn kúrò níbẹ̀ àwọn lọ síbòmíì ẹni tó wá nà yẹn pépà ò gbèjì sìn ẹ̀wọ̀n pọ̀lọ̀ burúkú kó má wàá ṣe sùúrù kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ wo ẹ má jẹ́ ń bòpò lọ sí ilé olóró ẹnu oníkàn láti máa ń gbọ́ pọ̀n ẹnu ọdẹ láti máa ń gbọ́ pé mo ta bóyá kẹ́ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ jókòó kẹ́ wo bó ṣe ń lọ everybody ṣe ń protest how I wish pé a lè bọ́ tàbẹ́ àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá how I wish pé a lè ṣe peaceful protest peaceful rally bẹ́ẹ̀ demanding for what we want but ẹ̀yin government Nigeria kìíní kan kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lè prevent ẹ̀ tó something will trigger something which will bring the revolution to Nigeria which will say enough is enough that will put stop to your manipulation. ẹ jẹ́ ká wo ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ lágbára ẹ bá mi download tap send o ẹ lo promo code Abiola TTS for those of you tí ẹ ti download tap send ẹ wo app tẹlifí send owó láti ibi tẹ́ bá wà sí Nàìjíríà ni direct deposit ni àkáǹtì ẹ tẹ́ bá send owó sí ló ń lọ straight kò sí pé èèyàn kankan fẹ́ bí owó yín ó há síbì kan kò sí nǹkan tó jọ ọwọ́ kan báyìí àkáǹtì ẹ tẹ́ send ẹ̀ sí ibẹ̀ ló ń lọ bẹ̀tẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti lo Abiola TTS ní àkọ́kọ́ as promo code yín ẹ gba bónọ́ọ̀sì ẹ dákun tó yọ Ọlọ́run ẹ tó yọ fún yóò ní gbé yín lọ́mọ lọ ẹ jáwọ́ protest.
Good afternoon, everybody. Don't mind my voice. I was shouting a lot today. I want to sincerely thank everybody that came out today. Like, God go bless you now, because you know easy. You guys left your different areas. Some people came in from Lagos, Kaduna, different places. Like, respect to you guys. I love the love I'm seeing. Trust me, I do. So, like we originally planned, we went to the bank today, which was a success. On getting to the bank, I tried to assess my bank. Like I said, conduct business. On getting there, the service that was rendered to me was not friendly. To me. Because when I got there, they told me the network was bad, that I should go to another bank. The same GT bank that they said they are closed and not operational for 4 days, asked me to go to another bank. While I was trying to talk to the guy, another security guy came and said, na them. I don't understand what you be my na them. They try profile us for where I get money, where I want to collect my own money. You block me. No wahala. Like I said, we're going to be very peaceful. So we left GT Bank and went to EFCC office because I know they were not expecting us anyways. They thought we were all going to GT and it was going to stop there. On getting to EFCC office, while we were doing our thing, we noticed that they were beating a particular guy. You understand? Not to beat the boy, like, man, our boys on the para, like, wait till they saw, wait till they now say, come, this thing are just plots. First off, we know ourselves, we know how we take go there. You understand? The person where they beat, no, they among us. And I believe, say, the reason why they beat that guy, now to ginger us, no first won't engage because our person, they won't make official our person. But believe me, that pattern of protest and that year, we don't change. You understand? We don't engage. We tell my people, I tell them, say, see, Baba, that person will not know him. This is just a pattern for them to make us engage. Then they will come backfire on top of us because at that time now they can do anything at will. But thank God we're wise and we left EFCC, went to Human Rights Commission, and thank God everything was wonderful. To those who came out, God bless you. To those who have been posting, God bless you. I saw the post of the former Vice President of Nigeria. I truly appreciate it. I actually wish they can actually come out, you know, so that most people won't think this is just party agenda for them. God bless you all. Thank you for supporting Very Dark Man. Peace and see you all tomorrow.
To deceive the Central Bank of Nigeria and even the customers and investors into believing that it all is well with GTB, even when it is not. Ladies and gentlemen, There is no gainsaying the fact that Guaranty Trust Bank Limited has become notorious over the years for engaging in deceptive accounting practices to artificially inflate profit figures that the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, Securities and Exchange Commission, Nigerian Stock Exchange, as well as Financial Reporting Council of Nigeria should urgently step into the affairs of Guaranty Trust Bank Limited with a view to safeguarding customers and investors' funds and portfolios before the bank fails completely.
I'm dropping my letter of resignation, okay? I am no longer doing again. I am preparing all their documents. If my bank can be able to betray very dark man, who am I? No. This is my letter. I'm trying to compile my files, everything, put them together. I'm no longer working again. No. I cannot do this again. I'm documenting everything together. Let me keep all my files in order. I am resigning from this job. No, I cannot do this. This is absolutely nonsense. This is my letter. I am giving up. I'm not working anymore. I'm not working again. I'm not working anymore. I am not working again. I'm putting my written note down. No, this is unfair. This is absolutely unfair. If this can happen to a very dark man, who am I? Who knows? Why would you set somebody up? I'm not in support of that. I'm not in support of that. Hello, Nigerians. I'm absolutely speechless.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm very much speechless. But for me, I'm no longer interested in working with GTB Bank. This is my letter. I'm resigning right away. I don't think I can do this anymore. I'm so sorry. I cannot. This is so unfair. This is total betrayal. Very Dark Man was betrayed. If the EFCC had wanted to come for Very Dark Man, they should have served him a letter in the proper way. Okay? This is wrong. Totally wrong.
All we are asking for is for them to free VDM for us. They should free VDM for us. That is what we are asking for. We are not asking for any other thing. Let them free him for us. Yes, so.
We are law-abiding citizens. We are not here to cause chaos or cause problems. We are demanding that BDM should be released with immediate effect. We don't care about the order. We don't care about where the order is coming from. We don't care about who arrested him. We want BDM to be arrested, to be released. It's a must.
Supporting the government and make their mark. Okay, you work for 30 years. End of the year, after 30 years, you cannot afford a pension to take care of your family. A criminal, you keep government for 4 years. Okay. What would that come arrest the innocent boy?
Alive. Because those same people will come, claim to be DSS, we find VDM for EFCC. Tell me why they go lie. If the plan is not to carry the boy and go and kill him, why would they lie? VDM is even alive. Because those same people will come, claim to be DSS, we find VDM for EFCC.
Leave VDM for us. Leave VDM for us.
Bring VDM. Bring VDM.
To deceive.
Can you believe that very dark man
and even
honestly saw school children
into believing
sitting on the floor
well
in a very poor condition,
even when it is not? Ladies
in
and
Ghana?
gentlemen, there is no
And he
gainsaying the
traveled
fact
all
that
the
Guarantee
way
Trust Bank
from
Limited
China
has
to
become
Ivory
notorious
Coast
over
to
the
Ghana,
years for engaging
and not
in
just
deceptive
the regular
accounting
Ghana, you know,
practices
like Accra.
to artificially
Far
inflate that the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, Securities and
just to
Exchange
help them, and he
Commission,
got there and he
Nigerian
provided
Stock
them
Exchange,
water.
as well as Financial
He
Reporting
provided
Council of Nigeria should
Okada,
urgently step into the affairs of Guarantee
and he gave
Trust
them a
Bank
lot.
Limited.
Now the journey that this
Customers
man went
and
through before
investors'
even
funds
getting
and
to that
portfolios
place,
before
it's
the
mind
bank
blowing.
fails completely.
Anyway,
Come
I
to
have
Ghana,
the
see
video
this place and
on
know
it
what
from his
to
channel.
do.
I mean, I took the video
Right.
from his TikTok
So
page,
when I was planning
and
to
I
come
felt
to
like this
Ghana,
already.
then an
I've seen
emergency
few
came
people
up in
posting
Ivory
on,
Coast. So I had
you
to
know,
pause
YouTube and all
Ghana
that.
to
But
go
I
to
feel
Ivory
like this
Coast
is
because of
something
the human
good that as a
sex
Ghanaian,
trafficking thing.
I have to
So after
come
Ivory
and
Coast,
show
I had to
them
come down to Ghana.
Nigeria.
Now, what I didn't know
Ghana really
is that this
appreciate
particular
this kind of
place
because
is not in Accra.
this was
it is
supposed
a
to
very
be the work
far place.
of our politicians.
So I told her, oh, I am in
But
Ghana.
at the
How
end
do
of
I
the
get
day,
to where
who's
you are?
doing it?
She said the place is called Tamale.
Nigeria's
now, me
very
thinking
dark
Tamale
man.
is when you get to Accra. Maybe
Well,
you
let's
just take
watch
a
the
car
video. We'll break
to
in between
Tamale.
and we'll
Then I asked her, so how
really
do I
have
get
this
there? She
gist.
said,
Please
sir,
stay
please,
tuned and
you
listen
take a flight
to
from
this
Accra
nice
to Tamale.
conversation.
When you see this lady I am hugging, they are rented cars and why I have spent and they can bring you to this community. Yes, I spent a lot of money, not just money, time, energy, and everything. I took a flight. Now, give me the story why I had to spend when I got to Tamale. So I was on TikTok, just scrolling. Nobody came across this video. This video of I was like, this place that nobody knows. That means this place far.
And this is
then I called her. I said, this place people don't know. She said, oh no, it's a community. It's not really. It's just somewhere. It's called Dibili. I said, do you have another landmark? She said, Karaga District. I said, okay, no problem. I got a rented car, a Prado, and we set out. Now on our way, we kept on asking, and I asked, and I said, where is this place? She said, just an hour. When we started this journey, my brothers and sisters, we passed 3 hours. This particular village is at the center of nowhere, the center of a bush. I am pretty sure that a lot of Ghanaians that have lived in Ghana for more than 50 years have never been to that area before in their life. Because a lot of Ghanaians that we were asking on the road did not even know where this place is. Is that crazy? Cut long story short, we got to the place. That was where she came to help me because she didn't think I was going to come. Now, on reaching there, found out that some people had already come and given them chairs. They even painted the school, which was a good one. So I looked at the area and I noticed that they didn't have a borehole for water. I looked around, no place for water. So I asked, I said, how do people get water? They say, oh, they need to go so far. Sometimes they go to the water side. Sometimes there's one hand pump borehole very, very far. So I told the chief, this is where I spoke to the chief. Okay. So tell Chief. Very happy to see you here. Yeah, tell Chief that we want to try to bring water.
This guy is still there here.
Don't call. Yeah, because when we were coming here, like this, because of this lady, I saw her post on TikTok. You know, I said because of her I came to Ghana. Wait. So see, because of her post on TikTok, I came to Ghana and I flew to Tamale. I flew to Tamale to come here. It wasn't easy. It was a long ride. And when I was coming, I didn't see borehole, no water anywhere. So I'm wondering where they get water from. But now we'll look for a way to bring water. So tell me.
Alpha, you see what they happen? The youth know they laugh. Oh. No joy. There's no joy on the streets. People are not laughing. There's no joy. The youth are unemployed. People are hungry. Even the police, many of them won't pension wọn gbà o. Àwọn tó wà níbi iṣẹ́ wọn ò rí salary gbà. They cannot feed their children. They cannot even feed themselves. You see? Báwo la ṣe bá ṣe rìn? How did we get here? Sometimes I do ask myself, báwo la ṣe débi tá a dé yìí? Kí ló sún wa débi bí? Kí ló gbé wa débi tá a dé yìí? How did we get here? You guys are just, I don't know. Dictatorship yẹn wà lára yín. The omnipotent. The I am that I am. The omnipresent. Omni unchallengeable. Omni everything. Even ẹ lè pe ayín ní Ọlọ́run pàápàá. Ẹ ti sọ̀rọ̀ ayín di Ọlọ́run. Àwọn èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Kí ni Very Dark Man sọ? Tẹ́ fi kidnap ẹ̀. Tẹ́ fi adopt ẹ̀. Tẹ́ fi dàkà àpò bó lójú. Tẹ́ fi gbé lọ. I know you guys are wise. Nigeria ni ọgbọ́n pín sí jù. Ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àtòye Nigeria ló pín sí jù. GTB bank náà ẹ̀hán kówó màmẹ́ ẹnìkan gba lóònù ẹnìkan ṣe kinní kan wọ́n release footage. Àwùjọ pé kì í ṣe pé wọ́n trick ẹ̀ wá. Why tí ẹ lo àwọn ọgbọ́n àrékérekè àwọn ọgbọ́n tẹ fi ń lò tẹ fi ń trick àwọn èèyàn tẹ bá fẹ́ mú wọn ẹ máa lo àwọn ọgbọ́n àyíníkan padà oríṣiríṣi. Why don't you guys sit? Kẹ́kàn jókòó pé kí lẹ lè ṣe. How can you make progress? And this should serve as an eye-opener for those of you that still believe in one Nigeria. This is serve an eye-opener to you. That this can happen to anybody. The bunch of leaders standing in Nigeria, àṣàkẹ́ ni wọ́n ti géètì wọn lọ. They don't care. If anybody wọ́n lè tó máa bá èṣù jẹun ṣíbí ẹ̀ máa gùn òun là ń gbọ́ láyé àtijọ́. Àwọn eléyìí ẹ tó bá bá wọn jẹun wọ́n máa gé ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ni o. Definitely èṣù gan is the best. Yes, èṣù is the best yo. Because these people ẹ tó máa bẹ́ṣù jẹun ṣíbí ẹ̀ máa gùn èṣù ti gbà kó jẹ̀ tún lọ ṣíbí wá sórí àwọn eléyìí wọ́n fẹ́ gé ọwọ́ anybody ni. They don't care. Nigerian government lo àwọn tátìsì ọpọlọ yẹn kẹfì wò pé òkè kí la máa ṣe o kí ló lè dùn o fẹ́. Because expect àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tó wà nísìn kó tún serve àwọn ọmọ yín káwọn ọmọ wọn tún serve àwọn ọmọ yín ìdíwọ́ táwa ń serve yín. So we must everybody must. You see the actors and actresses wọn ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ sí everybody wọ́n ti dákẹ́ báyìí wọ́n bí wọn kú kán sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n bí wọn re tí wọ́n fẹ́ tó bá sọ táwọn èèyàn bá mú wọn sọ́wọ́ tó bá mú wọn dání báyìí. The same way happens to many people, not just them. Because many of them gan, àwọn gan ẹ̀mí wọn ò gbé tí wọ́n rí. They don't expect this. They put their trust in you, not the actors and the actresses alone. But many people put their trust in you. They campaign for you. They voted for you. Ọmọ ẹni òṣèlú bẹ̀rẹ̀ at last. Kúgú náà padà mú wa nídìí. And Nigeria máa ń fọdún yín ọdún ni o. Remember that. If you are still believing in 2027, remember wípé Nigeria máa ń fi ọdún yín ọdún ni. Ìwọ tó bá gbọ́ Yorùbá débẹ̀. Tí wọ́n bá ta ráìsì ní 1,000 lẹ́nu ní ìjọba ilé. Tó bá ìjọba míì tó ń bọ̀ 2,000 ní. Ìjọba míì tó ń bọ̀ 3,000 ní. Ìjọba míì tó ń bọ̀ 4,000 ní. Cost of living. Ó ti buy everybody jẹ́. And all this they are mumu follow mumu. Àwọn wèrè tí wọ́n sì ń tẹ̀lé wọn when they tell you there is inflation everywhere, even in America there is inflation in America, we know. Wọ́n jẹ gbèsè gbogbo ìlú ló jẹ gbèsè America náà jẹ gbèsè, we know. So possible kára America pé ẹ Nàìjíríà kò fowó ránṣẹ́ sóhun. Ó mọ èèyàn tó ń para America láti Nàìjíríà pé ẹjọ́ ìṣàánú àwọn ibi tó fẹ́ fún àwọn lójú. America tó bá ráyè òde ṣiṣẹ́ méjì òde ṣiṣẹ́ mẹ́ta òde ṣe mẹ́rin iye tó bá tágbára bá ká ni. Ṣé àwọn youth Nàìjíríà ṣé ọ̀lẹ ni wọ́n? Wọ́n kì í ṣọ̀lẹ. Ọmọ ṣiṣẹ́ tó fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ni wọ́n. Bẹ̀tí iṣẹ́ dà tó máa ṣe. Obìnrin ti dolóṣó tán. Ọkùnrin ti di yahoo. To the extent pé àwọn ìyá ló ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wọn. Pé ẹ wá lọ kọ́ṣẹ́ yahoo. Nǹkan dé. Where is the future of the Nigerians? Especially Nigeria youth. Future. Ṣé wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ní èní? And this thing is not past tense, not just present. Continuously ni. Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ mi. Yorùbáwùyí lèmi ń jẹ́. Ọlọ́run á gbà wá lóko ẹrú. Á gbalẹ̀ wa kúrò fún wa. Because kó má yẹ pé gbogbo tá à ń rí lọ́wọ́ yìí rìhásà ṣe ní Nàìjíríà. Ọlọ́run á ṣẹ́ mi lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ bíi taláboyún. Kò sí bóyá fẹ́ ṣe náà. Kíyàn lóyún tó bá lóyún lẹ́nu after 9 months 10 months ọmọ mi oyún mi 1 year. Ọlọ́run padà ṣẹ́ mi lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni. Oníkálukú máa dúró láyé lágbára Ọlọ́run. Yorùbáwùyí lèmi ń jẹ́. Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ mi. If you are coming across this page for the first time, I'm the one and only Akalolo of Yorùbá land. Adáwọn ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ọmọdéọmọlẹ̀ yọlé ètí òpin méjì. Abẹ́ni ọmọ òṣèré pààrọ̀. Ẹni tó máa pààrọ̀ tiwa. Adéwájú federal government. Tó máa sign ẹ̀. Ó máa déwájú Elédùmarè. That is to say, a kú bí 99 times yes. Tó bá padà wá sáyé, kó wá di Mẹ̀túsẹ́là. See you on my next show. Ẹ bá mi tẹ thumb up lórí show yìí. Ẹ ti share. Ẹ ti subscribe sí YouTube channel mi. Ẹ ti follow me for more. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti tan notification bell yín kalẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́n tí mo sọ abẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́. Notification bell yín ẹ tàn kalẹ̀. Ẹ tàn sí all kẹ́lẹ̀ máa rí mi wò bí ìrùn. I love you. Bye bye. Ó dàbọ̀.